Today's business climate demands a best-in-class website experience for distributor customers and prospects. But the economic climate poses financial challenges. Artwork Services USA, or AWS, is now creating customized supplier websites with low or no capital expenditures. Rather than amortizing a larger capital expense, let us build your new website and we'll create a highly affordable monthly program which you can fully expense. A website is your only 24/7 sales and marketing ambassador. Your site cannot simply be a placeholder. It needs to provide strong visual messaging, present information and assets needed to close sales. Features like a virtual sample tool, a high-res image library, inventory availability, a shipping calculator, and more. It needs to provide robust search functionality, and above all, it must be user-friendly. I'm Scott Nussenow, Executive Vice President of AWS. Let's talk about how the website you need is now more affordable than ever. Call me at 207-619-1015 or email scott@artworkservicesusa.com.